It's unbelievably rewarding to see people so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really happy to share this great feedback with everyone. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top-quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can contact us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.